Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Nissan Kicks into sport mode. First, ensure your vehicle is running and the gear selector is in the drive position. Next, find the small button located on the side or sometimes the back of your gear shifter. Give this button a firm press, and you will see the word Sport illuminate on your dashboard, confirming the mode is active. It's a simple one-button operation to unlock a more dynamic driving feel. Once activated, Sport mode transforms your driving experience in several key ways. You'll immediately notice a sharper throttle response, meaning your Kicks reacts more quickly when you press the gas pedal. The transmission also adjusts, holding gears for longer periods, which keeps the engine in its power band for more immediate acceleration. Additionally, the steering often feels tighter and more precise, giving you a more connected feel to the road. Sport mode is particularly useful in specific driving situations. It's excellent for merging onto a busy highway, providing that extra boost of acceleration to blend seamlessly with traffic. You'll also appreciate it when tackling winding roads or ascending steep hills, as the enhanced responsiveness makes these drives more enjoyable. Essentially, whenever you crave a more spirited and engaging connection with your Nissan Kicks, Sport mode is your go-to option. While Sport mode offers an exhilarating drive, there are a few things to keep in mind. You might observe a slight decrease in fuel efficiency as the engine tends to rev higher. Remember, this mode enhances your Kick's existing performance, it doesn't magically add horsepower. To exit Sport mode, simply press the same button on your gear shifter again. Also, for convenience, Sport mode will automatically turn off each time you switch off your vehicle's ignition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.